Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your health coverage with Blue Cross Blue Shield, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your health coverage with Blue Cross Blue Shield, start by reviewing your current policy details. Understand the benefits and coverage options available to you. Check the enrollment periods for your plan. Make a note of important deadlines to ensure you don't miss any critical dates. Contact Blue Cross Blue Shield customer service for clarification on any questions you may have regarding your coverage. Gather any necessary documents, such as proof of income or family size, to prepare for changes. If you plan to make changes, explore all available plans and their benefits. Consider your healthcare needs to select the most suitable policy for you. Look into additional services that may enhance your coverage, such as wellness programs or telehealth options. Create a secure online account with Blue Cross Blue Shield to manage your health information easily. Review the provider network associated with your plan to ensure your preferred doctors are in-network. Familiarize yourself with the claims process and how to file a claim if needed. Stay informed about any changes to your plan by regularly checking announcements from Blue Cross Blue Shield. Keep your contact information up to date with the company to avoid missing communication about your coverage. Take advantage of health and wellness resources available through Blue Cross Blue Shield to maintain your well-being. If you encounter any issues with coverage, promptly reach out to their customer service for assistance. Regularly reassess your healthcare needs and adjust your coverage accordingly during open enrollment periods. By following these steps, you will be well equipped to protect your health coverage with Blue Cross Blue Shield. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.